Got the keys, y'all. Even though I don't need it, it's a push button start, so. It's my turn to drive.
Steady like that. I'm nervous.
Oh, let's just get started. Let's switch places.
Okay.
What?
You know how to drive?
Yeah, I do, but not here, so.
It's no different.
All right, come on, let's switch. Whoa. Okay, I'm on the right side. Feels funny.
How?
But we're gonna do it. Okay, so now.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're sitting on the other side?
Yep.
Yeah. Seatbelt's outside.
Seatbelt on. You might want to put yours on too. And then you need to press the brake to turn it on.
You're driving automatic.
Do you need to press the big brake to turn it on? Yes, you do. Thank you.
Foot off the brake. Foot on the accelerator.
Really? Why?
Starts the car.
Oh.
That's it, now.
Alright.
Automatic.
Alright, so I go to reverse.
Hopefully not. Hopefully not.
Wait, let me
You
do
all
that
can
again.
see
Let
the
me
trees.
do that again.
See the trees behind us?
So we're gonna go drive.
That's correct.
Should I go right or left?
Left.
Alright, let's go left. Here we go, guys. First time. This feels so weird. How about I just circle the parking
You
lot?
can do that.
I don't feel comfortable on the street. I feel like I'll drive too slow.
No, just
Okay. Now where do I go?
turn to the right. You're up and down the bump. Don't worry, nobody can see you. They'll appreciate that you're learning to drive, even though you can drive.
Okay, now.
Go back and park to where we were, or drive around that way.
Alright. Now, checking a blind spot feels weird over here.
Oh, okay. Just don't get down the hill.
So I'm just gonna pull in and park here.
Do that. Jesus.
Wait!
I don't know where you're parking. Park there. Straight.
I'm backing up.
Okay.
Did you see I was about to change the gear on the right? I can't tell where I am whatsoever.
So there's a camera behind the phone.
Okay, I see lines all the way over there.
Doesn't matter. Just park and try not to hit anything. What are you doing with the wheel? Pull on in!
I can't see.
Stop. Thank you. Where are you parked? Over the white line.
I'm not so good at parking yet. I'm gonna work on it.
You can park.
Thank you. I can park like a champ in the US though.
Turn right.
So do I need a right turn signal?
No.
Just go right?
Just go right. There you go.
And then stay right.
And here, yeah.
Okay guys, that was my first roundabout.
I don't know why you're afraid of roundabouts.
I'm not afraid of roundabouts.
Okay.
I'm afraid of the cars in them because they're crazy.
People will come from the right-hand side.
Right. I'm on the
People from the
road.
right-hand side of the right-of-way, so slow down a little bit.
The road feels way better than the parking lot. By the way.
There you go.
More space.
Straight on.
Am I taking this too slow?
This one, no.
Alright.
Careful of the curb.
Oh, crap. Knew that was gonna happen.
There's a car coming up behind you, which is fine. Just drive as normally would.
Alright, you need to keep aware of my other side.
Yeah, you just keep driving. Keep between the white line and the curb when
Just
you're
let me know
gone.
if I'm too close on
No,
that
you're
side.
fine.
And then what do I do here? Is it straight?
You're fine.
Oh my gosh.
Relax.
Relax.
At the next roundabout,
Yeah.
we're going to turn to the right again. We're going to get the house and then that'll lose the car behind. Right. As most of the traffic's going to go to the left, you're going to go to the right. So you can put a right indicator on.
Now?
Right indicator, yeah.
I'm slowing down.
Yeah, and don't stop. Go ahead.
There's a car.
Go ahead.
Oh my god. Wow, that was scary.
Why is that scary?
It's not really.
You just pull in behind the other car, but conscious that this is the side of the curb.
It wasn't too bad.
Why did you switch it off?
I thought it was off. Because I heard it, the engine turn off, but it must just have been battery conservation. Crap, I keep switching. Which hand?
No cars behind you. Nope. You can go. This side of the road. A bit busier, left. We're going to wait for the traffic on the right. Wait
They're
for
all
the
going
to
this
clear.
way?
Yes, now you can go. And then that's left.
Sorry.
Just stay there, they'll stop.
Ooh,
The children and the mother.
I'm getting the hang of it. I'm going too slow for the people behind.
No, you're fine. You're in a 30 zone, so turn a left here.
Whoa.
Left, left, left. Slow down, take this turn. Yeah.
Oh, this
Left,
is my first
left,
left.
come on.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, stay away from the curb.
Hold on. Stay on this side. Got priority in it. You're 5 meters away from it. So you're coming up to a red light. So just go and stop at the light. Yeah, and stop. Okay. Just wait. Just let the people cross the road.
So green doesn't mean go, yellow means go?
Yellow means you can start to move on. With caution. Just yellow and then check for people. Alright, go.
Cool. Right. Okay, first driving lesson over.
Lesson?
Yeah,
Okay. You were actually driving on the road.
I did. How'd I do? Not so
Work
good.
on your positioning on the road.
Because I'm veering to the left. Because I favor the left. Because that's where you're supposed to drive.
Okay. You've twice hit the curb on the left.
I only remember once.
Watch the video back, you'll see my facial expressions. Just stay half a distance from the white
I'm pretty
line.
sure you have the same problem on my side.
What are you going to be like? No, I'm fine. I can drive in the States.
Because, yeah, I can drive fine in the States. But I think you veered toward the right in the States. So we both have the same problem. Our roads are just bigger, so you don't notice it as much.
How are you going to be on the country road?
I'm not doing those. I don't like those. They're too small. They're too narrow. I don't like it. No, thank you.
I like this wing mirror.
Good idea. Well, thank you, babe.
No problem.
Can't wait for my next one. Aren't you excited?
So you've done roundabouts and red lights.
Yes, I'm good.
What else is on the list?
That's it.
Parking needs to be on the list.
Whatever.
Parking needs to be on the list.